drop it on the floor. Shotty borrow. Ozzy beep on this one. Don't drop it on the floor. Ozzy beep say so. Did you hear me? Legacy's watching. Keep the Lagos clean, oh. Not 30 hours street, oh. Keep the Lagos clean, oh.
One of the gentlemen on the high table said, the environment is what we live in. The environment is what surrounds us. So we have to make the environment friendly so that we can live well in it. And as we say, health, good health is of course a good wealth. On the Environmental Lagos platform, what we do is we allow residents of Lagos to bring in their complaints to the platform, and we assist them in resolving such complaints. As we are here now, on my phone I've been getting inputs of how some parts of Lagos are already flooded because the drainages are blocked, like we've been saying here. PET bottles, which we're saying can be used to generate water, are blocked many drainages. If you bring this to our platform, we talk to the Commissioner for Environment, make sure such things, the drainages are cleared. If it is bad roads, we bring to our platform, we make sure the government fixes your roads. If you don't have enough transport system, as it were, in your community, you can let us know. If you don't have enough security, you can let us know on our platform. Thank you very much.
I want to start by giving a piece of advice to the NGO. Environment is a very wide area that you are delving into. Very wide as it is also very volatile. Like my CDC chairman have said, this is not an entirely new program. The government agencies have experienced it, have tried it. But where you can make the difference, because you are an NGO, is that you need to establish trust. Many people don't have even trust in government. That's the basic truth. So when you put something somewhere, you want to eat, you know, that is the balance. But you can make a difference as an NGO. You are choosing to be close to the people. And that is one point of which your people must be well dedicated. Some other areas I wanted to mention, the CDC jam have said it. Like in area of collections, because you will face many challenges. But you need to establish trust. Hence, you establish trust within the people and among the stakeholders and people that are to collaborate and work with you. The sky is not even the limit for you, because you can never even have it all. Because, like I said, environment is a very wide area. Now, specifically, I want to ask, is it your mode of waste, is it only on PETs, plastics, or any other waste?
For now, PETs and cans.
For now, and it has to be specified.
I thought you were trying to make it the other way around, whereby you tell people you can gather so and so number of plastics, this is the amount you will collect. Because the market is there. The ceremonies, if you have representatives, wherever there is any ceremony going on, you can easily go there. You know, you can count the number of bottles that will be consumed in that particular day. So,
I mentioned it while I was speaking. Once you aggregate, we measure in weight. So it is so amount per kg. So the recycler that is coming to offtake from the aggregator, we weigh it, and whatever kg will be multiplied by the price, and you get paid. And apart from that, Lagos State Loma, they are having an initiative right now called Lagos Recycle Initiative, whereby every month in each LCDA, people who participate in recycling aggregation will be entered into a raffle draw, and one person per LCDA will win a minimum, I think, 10,000 naira. One person at least per local. So once you are participating, you are getting your money for giving to recycler. Then you stand a chance to win extra bonus, because what Lagos State government is doing is a bonus to encourage people to participate more, to increase participation.
Let's assume that we generate 100 kg of waste from this local government, for example. Loma is contending with 100 kg of waste every day from this local government, for example. But if we remove all the recyclables from it, if you remove all the recyclables that we can use again, maybe Loma will be contending with just 60 kg of waste. It will not be up to that. I'm just using an example for him to understand. What we are trying to do is, Loma will still come to your house to carry your waste. But instead of them carrying large proportion of waste, made up of both usable and unusable, let them carry the unusable. Let us remove the usable and turn it to money and buy, even if it is 1 cup of garri. That's what we are trying to say. So we are not saying that we are not competing with Loma. We are working symbiotically with Loma. We are working hand in hand with Loma. Loma is even, that's what my brother and the chairman of RAN has said. Loma has launched Lagos Recycle.
Dennis Abbas by name, a member of SWEEP and the CDC secretary for Lagos Mainland Local Government. I just want to appeal, most especially the CDC. So sorry, the chairman not on seat, is just recovering. I spoke to him when I came in. I want to appeal because it is a local government initiative. And how do you get them? You get them through the grassroots. We would appeal that Cocoa Aguda should partner with the Community Development Association and the CDC. And we want volunteers, because if the community is clean, kudos to the local government chairman. And we will appeal that if individual CDA take it as a priority for them to make sure that they monitor the waste being deposited in the receptacle that will be given. At least once in a while, they go monitor it so that, Nigerian factor, they don't just throw it on the ground and make it litter or get into the gutters to avoid drainages. And from time to time, they can also discuss with the individual, the SWEEP NGO, how they can involve more women, because it's sounding as if the youth. So many women too need to be engaged. If our women should see the importance of picking, we have some very few women now that are using waste to even train their children in school. But instead of women coming to the local government chairman and disturbing the local government chairman for one need or the other, they can key in and partner with SWEEP. Thank you so much.
Idea will be the idea that will bring job opportunities for the youths in each local government or people around us. We so much appreciated. And that's what I want to say, because most of our youth are young, and we want them to be fully engaged.
All people are on the outside. My name is Sansak Manu. You permit to speak in our language. Najaki first on the end, it will get to that púpọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n bó ṣe wá dára sódà ló ní challenges nínú púpọ̀. Torí pé yẹn ká máa fojú wo pé ká gbé garawa kan síbi kan máa sọ kan sí Èkó nìyẹn. àmọ́ orí àwọn ẹ̀ta ń bá lóde kù tó bá ti lè kájú díẹ̀ báyìí wọ́n á sọ ìgbẹ́ síbẹ̀ ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ ilé yẹn tó yẹ pé ó jẹ́ báyìí ìgbẹ́ nǹkan tó ń gbé bọ̀ láti ilé wọn wọ́n á dẹ̀ drop ẹ̀ báyìí wọ́n á dẹ̀ ilé wọn ti gbé bọ̀ wọ́n á drop ẹ̀ wọ́n á lọ so ó ẹ̀ tẹ́ many things apájùlọ àwọn tó bá supervise ẹ̀ wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ dúró tì àwọn tó dẹ̀ máa gbé gbọ́dọ̀ máa gbé kíákíá so tábà kò sí kì í ṣe ètò tuntun tí ó kàn dá tó fi dáa pé private company ló gbé wá nísìnyí mo ti attend the town meeting for the vision scheme mo ti attend the town meeting ti gómìnà wa Sanwó-Olú àwọn lọ́ọ̀mà ní lọ́ọ̀mà lọ́ọ̀mù sí lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ similar program náà ló wà but it's government body but nígbà tí individual ti wá nísìnyí ó máa help so pé location máa wà within the reach of the people to fẹ́ lọ deposit ẹ̀ síbẹ̀ pé fẹ́ lówó ẹ̀ nídìí wàhálà púpọ̀ let's take the carton example now nobody is begging somebody to bring out his carton to deposit the owó when you tell ẹ̀ tó ta sweet ó máa gather carton yọ títí ó máa fi tó size kan tí mọ́lá bá ti kọjá àgbọ̀nà mọ́lá máa wọ́n wò àmọ̀ye tó tó so ẹ̀ máa introduce measurement charge pé tí kìnìún bá tó yẹ báyìí ó jẹ́ yẹ báyìí before you know it ibi tẹ́ bá fi ṣe kéde ga kún fún ẹrù yín wá sàgbà máa kò ní nípa sọ fún ẹ pé tá bá ti polówó káàkiri pé ẹ má ṣe wàhálà púpọ̀ mọ́ ògùn tẹ́ bá ti mú báyìí ẹ máa tọ́jú ẹ̀ bíi ti páálí ọ́fíìsì wa súnmọ́ yín dáadáa àti pé bọ́lá fẹ́ kó lọ tẹ́ bá dá kápá gan mú by express road kò tó fi ṣe refugee distributed express ó fẹ́ tó bukasu tẹ́ pé mọ́tò ló máa lórí every day ni mọ́tò ni so eléyìí ní sèwọ́n tún fún everybody láǹfààní pé tó bá tiẹ̀ lè rí bí bóyá two bag the carton á gbé àǹfààní tó bá ta sí rọrùn so á dẹ̀ help ilé á help ètò yìí kò ṣeé ṣe lásán kẹsàn fún ẹ pé máa lọ kọ́ kéde fún ọ láì gbowó kò ṣeé ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí òrẹ́sẹ̀ pé ẹni kan fún wa lọ sàkán wá ní títì láì fún ní kankan kò ṣeé ṣe torí pé òun náà máa fẹ́ jẹun á fẹ́ tọ́ àwọn ọmọ ẹ bó tilẹ̀ kó kéré tó àwọn obìnrin náà ṣe pọ̀ láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù níta polówó àmàlà wọn ti jáde pẹ̀lú báàgì wọn wọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kókó kéde káàkiri wọn á tó jí kéde ìdáná obìnrin mi tó bá sùn lọ níbi tó kó sí wọn á ti kó sí báàgì kó tó dé so ó ti jẹ́ program tó wà lẹ́bẹ̀ẹ́ with your new involvement gbogbo sọ aṣọ yìí pé ẹ máa break through so CDA is one of the programs that wà ti ní idea before after to send it more to our people àtàwọn ministers are upset gbogbo kókà àgùdà CDA ni gbogbo CDA wà bí àtìmọ́ní káàkiri orílẹ̀ kókà àti àgùdà kálukú àlọ́ jíṣẹ́ nílé àti ní platform àtàwọn àgbè sí pé program bá ti wà níwà láti ṣe o tó bá ti yá ẹ̀rọ ọ́fíìsì mi báyìí tó bá dẹ̀ ti tẹ́tọ́ àì àtún fóònù nàmbà yín àti gbogbo tó wá jẹ́ location yín so gbogbo aṣọ yìí pé lágbàdo náà ètò tó bá kẹ́sẹ̀ yá nínú wíwíwí.
Very laudable initiative. But we are talking of grassroots mobilization for this issue. It's earth is wealth. There's no way you can remove earth from environment. Environment leads to good earth, healthy living. If everything is lost, you have lost nothing. But if earth is lost, everything is lost. What I want to say is this. We are now joining this issue with empowerment for our youth. I want to advise, if it's not in the execution program, of it that this issue of aggregators collecting waste, is it not possible to have a sort of a receptacle, a bag for different kind of waste for collection by those who are collecting? Like observe in my area, wherever you use table water, some will come and collect, we throw them away. Some come and collect. Then somebody will say, no, don't throw them away again. That woman collecting them, he uses them for sobo. And he's selling for people. We should collect money from her. Otherwise, say, no, don't allow them to take them free again. They use them to use soap. Different things, they are coming up with alternative uses. Therefore, it's money making. What the problem we have is, where they throw this thing, they throw them off, is not environmentally friendly. So I will advise if you can design different kind of receptacle or bags where this can be packaged and kept. The agricultor can now go and get them. We have bottles, we have papers, we have a carton for juice, all sorts of things. So you know what I'm talking about. So I will advise you get these things in place and it will be better for it.
OZB on this one. Don't drop it on the floor. OZB say so. Did you hear me?